Good morning, welcome back friends. It is Thanksgiving Day here in the United States as of this recording, and of course with that it means another edition of the Thanksgiving Turkey Trot. Now Turkey Trot is basically just a fun run for family and for anybody who loves running, and it's usually a 5K. Sometimes there are 10Ks, half marathons, or even marathons. So we're back here at the Rose Bowl, my favorite spot to go running, and we're gonna have some fun. I'm not sure where the route is this time. I'll link to the one last year where we actually ran on the golf course, so that's pretty cool. But yep, super excited. Now I haven't necessarily been running since I finished the Santa Monica 10K. I've been pretty busy the last couple months, so it's gonna be a slightly slower run this time around, but we're gonna enjoy it because it's not a competition, and I'm just really excited to be out and running it. I did go for a 5K run a couple of days ago just to get myself all prepped up again, but that was pretty slow as well. But anyways, I'm ready to have fun, so let's get on going. Costume for next year. Thank you for the run. Walk break. It's all downhill from here, literally. Here's the last bit. I don't normally do energy drinks, but I'll make an exception. Tastes good after a run. Another turkey trot in the books. And another turkey trot in the books. It was great to see all the families out there having a good time. All the runners, the joggers, walkers. We all had a good time. And the weather was perfect this year. Don't remember, but if I mentioned it earlier, I will put the link in the description as well as in the corner if you want to see last year's turkey trot. And of course, for those of us who completed, we received this pretty nice medal. I quite liked this year's compared to last year, so it's pretty neat. For those of you in the US, I hope you had a good and safe holiday filled with good things and lots of food. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.